Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to change your Wells Fargo PIN number in 2025. If you forgot your old PIN or just want to update it for security, this quick guide will help you do it fast. First, open the Wells Fargo mobile app or go to the Wells Fargo website and log into your account. If you're using the app, tap Menu, then go to Manage Cards. Select the card you want to update and choose Change PIN. Enter your current PIN, then type your new one and confirm it. If you're on a desktop, click Accounts, then Manage Cards, and select Change ATM PIN. Follow the same steps to update your PIN securely online. You can also change your PIN at any Wells Fargo ATM by inserting your card, entering your current PIN, and selecting Change PIN from the menu. Make sure your new PIN is not easy to guess. Avoid birthdays or repeated numbers. And that's how to change a Wells Fargo PIN number in 2025. Quick, simple, and keeps your account more secure. If this helped, stay tuned for more short banking and finance guides.